So how can you create the iPad contacts groups? Let's explain that. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, on your contacts app on your iPad, you can open it up like this and make sure you slide out like the left panel to make more things appear. And these are like the groups, right? You, for example, might have the iCloud group or different providers like Google, but you still have the ability to add the list by tapping the button in the bottom left corner. And this lets you like name the list, right? So you type in the list name. It might be some specific contact that you want to, of course, name and put in one group. Then, of course, you should be able to add those in there, right? So you can see we have some of them. You can add new contacts from your list in here. Or you can also just add a brand new ones, right? So you should have the ability to just like add new contacts in your all section and then bring it over to this like brand new page or list or whatever you want to call it. And that's how you can group things together, make sure that everything is organized on your iPad. And that's how it eventually works. So let me know if it also works for you. Let me know what you think about that. It's just been a very quick tutorial. I just wanted to share that with you. So if you appreciate it, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. And I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos as well.